I'm here unboxing the Huion Kamvas 13 versus the Kamvas Pro 13. So they're the same size here, but now you can see what's in the box and what those differences are. So there is the Kamvas 13 and the Kamvas Pro. Well, look at that. It's very, very thin and very nice. This is the stand actually that they came with. So the Pro 13 stand is just a little bit better. And then the pen right there, it's the exact same pen, I think. Didn't see any differences there, so it has little buttons there. Then the Kamvas Pro has like a complete charging cable, while the Kamvas is more of like a USB charging station, and then both have like a stand for the pen. And here is the Kamvas 13 screen, and then the Kamvas Pro that you can see. So the buttons are just a little bit different there. I tried to turn it on, but both need to be connected to your PC or laptop and able to use them. So that's, well, the same